What is the radian measure of 190 degrees? So to answer this question, we need to know how to go from degrees to radians or from radians to degrees. So degree to radians. We have whatever our degree is times pi over 180 degrees. And then to go from radians to degrees, we take whatever our radian measure is, so a pi radians, and we're going to multiply by 180 degrees over pi. So notice when we're going from degrees to radians, multiplying by pi over 180 to where our degrees cancel out. And then notice when we're going from radians to degrees, we're multiplying by 180 over pi. So our pi's will cancel out. And this is just a good way to remember how to go from degrees to radians or radians to degrees. You need to put whatever in the denominator would allow you to cancel out the unit. So in this case, we have 190 degrees and we want to go to radians. So we need to multiply by pi over 180 degrees. Our degrees will cancel out and we get 190 pi over 180. Now the only thing left to do is simplify this fraction, and we can take a 10 out of the top and bottom and get 19 pi over 18. And this is as simplified as we can get this fraction. So this is our final answer. And then just to go ahead and show the opposite of this, we can start with 19 pi over 18 multiply by 180 degrees over pi. And then when we multiply this across, our radian measures cancel, and we get 19 times 180 degrees over 18. Now we can take 18 out of the top and bottom, and that leaves us with a 10. So we get 19 times 10 degrees, just 190 degrees. So as you can see, we went from degrees to radians by multiplying by pi over 180, which allowed the degrees to cancel, and then taking the answer we got, 19 pi over 18, we can multiply by 180 over pi to allow the pi's to cancel, and then we can simplify and get back to what we started with. So with these conversions, you can go from degrees to radians or from radians back to degrees. You can go both ways.